Welcome to my English class. Let's look at vowel sound. On the board there, you discover that this vowel is vowel E. Vowel E. Look at it very well. It's vowel E. And it's a short vowel sound. It's a short vowel sound. And the sound produced E. Everybody repeat after me. E. As in tip. As in tip. Now watch my lips. Watch my lips. Look at my lips very well. Before this sound will be produced. Before this sound will be produced, your lips, your mouth, and your tongue. Listen to what those two things are supposed to do. Your mouth a bit open. Your mouth a bit open. Less wide than for the sound or the vowel E. And your tongue a bit less wide than for your tongue is a bit further back. Your tongue is a bit further back in your mouth, and the sound will be produced E. E. And what are those examples for this vowel sound? Don't forget, I told you this vowel is a short vowel. What are those examples of those read? Now we have if, the word if. We have listen, missed, dinner, swim, and we have tip. Bye. See you next time in my class.